Welcome to the party, pal. I'm Daryl, and once again we're talking about managing our nerves. This time with a focus on 5 things you can do during your presentation to manage your nerves. So many people find that once they're delivering their presentation or speech, they feel much more relaxed and feel a lot better in themselves. But what we're going to do is we're going to give you 5 things to keep in mind while you're delivering your presentation, which will also help you to calm your nerves should they raise their head again. Number 1, pause. You get to the top of the stage, you're ready to go, don't launch into it. Take a moment to savor the moment. Pause, look around, smile, make eye contact with people in the room, begin as you mean to go on, confidently and in control. So when you pause, also whisper to yourself or think to yourself, I got this. Number 2, smile. Smiling is a natural relaxant and helps you to also build a rapport with your audience. When you couple smiling with eye contact, looking at someone in the eye and smiling at them, you are encouraging them to become part of it, to become part of the presentation, to engage with you in a meaningful way, and you are showing that you are interested in them. So smile. Nobody ever turns away from a smile, at least one that's genuine. Number 3, slow down. Speak slowly, speak clearly. Speak slower than you would in a regular conversation. Aim for 110 words to 150 words per minute, as we've mentioned in our previous video up here. The thing about speaking slowly is it will help you to get your message across much clearer, even in a large room. But again, by speaking fast, we actually exaggerate many of the manual tics or nervous energy that we actually have inside us. So if you're shivering or shaking because of nerves, that will be much more exaggerated and people will see that and potentially feel more uncomfortable for you. You want to bring them in, as we said already, so make eye contact, smile, and slow down. That will really help to get your message across. Number 4, move around. You've got a space to work in, a space to explore. People will follow you, they will look at what you're doing, and they will pay attention to you. But secretly, what it's actually doing is expending some of your nervous energy. If you stand still, all of that energy is going to bubble up in one spot, and it's going to become very visible in one spot. So move around. Watch out for manual tics, watch out for leg twitches or things that you're doing with your hand which may become distracting to your audience. But ultimately speaking, feel free to move around and take over that space. Remember, it's your show. Number 5, it's not about you anymore. Stop thinking about yourself. You now have an audience to deal with. Everything we did before our presentation, and even in the lead up to this moment, was all about you. It was about getting it right, getting ready, and feeling prepared. Now, it's about your audience. It's about the message that you need to convey, the information that you need them to pick up on, and what's in it for them. So at this point, of course, you can still worry about calming your nerves, but it's really about the message that you're putting across to your audience. If you don't appear confident for them, they're not going to be confident in the message that you're communicating. So again, stop thinking about yourself. We'll have time to worry about that when we look at our next video and what we do after our presentation. So diehard learners, in the comments below, let me know your manual tics that happen when you're nervous while delivering a presentation. I know I've found a couple for myself, but I'm interested to hear what you have to say as well. If you enjoyed this content, as always, I'd appreciate if you could like, subscribe, and share. You can also find the rest of the videos in this particular playlist right here or down here. So, thanks very much for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one.